Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your monitors are not connecting through your Dell docking station, it can be extremely frustrating because it completely disrupts your workspace setup. You might plug everything in correctly, but the screens stay blank or aren't detected by your laptop at all. This issue is quite common and is usually caused by connection problems, display settings, or system detection errors rather than a faulty dock. Since docking stations manage multiple display outputs, even a small misconfiguration can prevent monitors from working properly. The good news is that you can usually fix this issue quickly by checking a few important things step by step. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix monitor connection issues with your Dell docking station. Try these. 1. Check that the docking station is properly powered on. 2. Ensure the docking cable is securely connected to your laptop. 3. Verify monitor cables are properly plugged into the dock. 4. Restart your laptop and docking station. 5. Open display settings and detect external monitors. 6. Confirm monitors are recognized and displaying correctly.